Hey, what's up? It's your boy. It's Daily Dog Ball. We're in Minneapolis. Son of Dog Ball is filming today. We found a dog ball. The field we're at is Neiman Field. I used to play softball here. I had a home run on one of these fields. And we found a bird's nest, too. And we're in Minneapolis for a couple more days. It rained. Check out this puddle. Check out this son of a gun. I don't have my Sharpie. I'm going to try to avoid this puddle, and Son of Dog Ball is going to film me trying to throw strikes and avoid these ducks with the 2 golf dog balls. Here we go. It's really wet. There go the ducks. Pretty good. All right. So if you're a bird and you're missing your home or your bird's nest, come on down to Neiman Fields. Maybe we'll get to do another Minneapolis Dog Ball tomorrow. Goodbye.